What's up, YouTube world? Amp Jones checking in. Hope all is well. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my gun safe. I feel like every gun owner should own a safe. If you don't have one, I think you should get one. I'm all about safety first, so get one. All right, so this video not gonna be long. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of my safe, what I've done to it, and where I got it from, and things like that. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, here we go. This is my gun safe. It's about 4 feet tall. I ordered it from Walmart. I was looking for a biometric safe. As you can see, this one here has the you can either put the pin code in or use your fingerprint. And I believe this one, it holds up to like maybe, I think it was like 60 different fingerprints, something like that. So as you can see, let's put the pin in first. As you can see, that opens it up. So let's go ahead and lock that back. And I think I do have a couple of fingers set for it. My thumb works, as you can see. We'll let that go back. And my finger, index finger works as well. I believe those are the only fingers I did on my right and left hand. As you can see, if it doesn't, you'll get that. And that'll let you know if you got the wrong finger and you ain't getting in there. So let's open it up. All right. As you can see, I got some magazines up in there. Couple mag pouches, a little speed loader. Got my Ruger 5.7 right there. Down below, I got my shotgun. I got two ARs, AR-15s. I got the CZ Scorpion. And down there, you can't really see it, but I got a AK-47 pistol. Along the door, I got my Taurus 40 cal. And above that is my Taurus G2C. So right now, there's a total of 11 firearms in here. There's room for a couple more, so this can hold quite a few firearms. I think I paid maybe like a couple hundred, maybe 200 something bucks, and I just felt like it was a nice deal. Up here, you can see I got some of my ammo. Couple mags up there. But also I wanted to show you guys, let's turn out the lights. Okay, I turned the lights out, guys. I wanted to show you guys something. All right, so it lights up. You see those lights? Those LEDs, I got those from Amazon. Let's show you. So they do come off and they attach. There's a piece of Velcro up there. And they will attach to it. These LED sticks or strips. I bought a 3-pack. I don't really remember how much I paid, but it wasn't much. You know, that's for when it's nighttime or it's dark, the lights out. They take about 4 AAA batteries each. Excuse me. And yeah, they stay on maybe about, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds. And they are motion censored. So as long as there's motion inside the safe, they'll stay lit up from my understanding. Alright. There is a battery you can put in there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this one. I wanted to show you guys my safe. Like I said, I feel like everybody should own one if you own firearms. I think I might put one more LED strip in there. So guys, I did forget to mention another thing. There's actually 3 ways of getting into this safe. You got your PIN code, fingerprint, and also you take that off. And there's a key entry. So this did come with 2 sets of keys as well. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, so that's 3 ways of entry, and I think this is a pretty good deal for the safe. All right, guys, check y'all out next time. Peace.